In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write alt text for images on your Wix website. Adding alt text to the images on your Wix site is a simple step, but it can make a big difference. Alt text helps improve your website's SEO, and just as importantly, it makes your content more accessible for visitors who use screen readers. In other words, it helps search engines better understand your images, while also helping visually impaired users understand what's being shown on the page. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you are on the page where the image appears so you can update the correct visual. Once you are in the editor, click on the image you want to optimize. This will bring up a small floating menu with image options. From that mini menu, click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This opens the image settings panel, where you will find several options related to that image. Scroll down until you see the section labeled What's in the Image or Alt Text. This is the field where you'll enter the description. Now, write a short description of exactly what is in the picture. The best way to think about alt text is this. Describe the image as if you were explaining it to someone who cannot see it. Keep your wording clear, direct, and specific. You don't need to write a full sentence unless it feels natural. In most cases, a short phrase works perfectly. Try to keep the alt text brief, ideally around 5 to 15 words. That's usually enough to communicate the important visual details without making it too long. Focus on what matters most in the image. For example, if the image shows a person holding a product, mention the person and the product. If it's a logo, describe the logo. If it's a decorative image, still be thoughtful about what information the image adds to the page. Once you've entered your description, press Enter. Or simply close the settings panel to save it. Wix will keep that alt text attached to the image, and your update will be in place. This is a quick improvement you can make across your entire website, and it's worth taking the time to do for each important image. Better accessibility and stronger SEO are both great reasons to make alt text part of your regular website workflow. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.